Alright, let's talk gear. So I previously bought this shirt from Colombia. You'll see on the sleeves, it says PFG. That's Performance Fishing Gear. I wore this one too on another video. You guys seen this one? It's PFG, also Performance Fishing Gear. And then I recently just purchased this one. So everybody talks about safety, helmets, pads, jackets, but out here in Florida, one thing I noticed is the sun. So in the cooler months, I was wearing a kind of long sleeve shirt, but in the hotter months, when it gets humid, you could barely breathe in the kind. So I ended up picking up these fishing shirts. They actually look pretty cool. I picked up a black one because they had a good sale on this one. So they do run a little bit big, so check your size, go to the store, try them on. But I recently bought this one with the hoodie. It has Omni-Shade. The Omni-Shade technology, they all have the Omni-Shade technology, which is like a titanium dioxide compound. It's supposed to reflect the sun rays and stuff like that, so it's good, you know, for your skin. Actually, I wore the one with a jacket, and I could breathe even when I got hot. It felt cool. So on cooler days, I think you'll feel too cold, but on the humid days, you'll definitely feel a lot cooler because they did work. I mean, I'd go pick one up and just try it for yourself. I have no affiliation with Colombia. I'm just letting you know what I felt comfortable in. This one with the hoodie because I want to wear my helmet. Instead of getting all sweaty on the top, I figured instead of wearing one of those caps, I can wear the hoodie and see how it works. I haven't tried this one yet. This is actually a brand new shirt. Put it on, you know, for the video. But I think you should definitely try something out like that, Omni-Shade. You know, it was created in 2018, I think, by Colombia. So, but it's 100% polyester. Hold on, I'm gonna show you something else. Huh?
Still rolling.
Oh, why? The whole time?
Yeah.
Why didn't you pause?
Just continue going with it.
Why? You're wasting. Alright, go ahead, go.
Does it matter?
I mean, it didn't. I could cut it out, but it's just so much more editing. I also ordered a shirt from CANAM. CANAM shirt, even though it's a cool looking shirt, I ordered an extra large. They sent me the wrong size. Sent me a large. This doesn't fit me. But anyway, the case was their shirt is 86% coconut polyester, which this is 100% polyester, and it has 14% spandex. You can feel it. I don't think it'll breathe as well as 100% polyester. They sent me the wrong size anyway, so this is gonna go back to them. Carbonized coconut, moisture wick, quick dry, UV protection. Not sure. It feels a little heavier than the 100% polyester, obviously because of the spandex, but I couldn't try it out. This was about $20 more than this shirt, so I think I'm just gonna return this and call it a day. I mean, for 10 bucks more, I got two shirts. So I think the Columbia is the winner versus the CANAM shirt. I also ordered CANAM gloves, and they've already ripped. You've probably seen that in another video. They didn't last more than like 2 rides. This has all that UPV, 50s, SV, UVs, and all that protection stuff. So anyway, hope you found something interesting in this video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe.